In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly delete a file on Google Drive. Google Drive is a fantastic tool that allows us to store and manage files seamlessly in the cloud, giving us the freedom to access our documents from virtually anywhere. But sometimes we find ourselves needing to declutter or free up some space by removing files that are no longer needed. If you're looking to do just that, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through a few simple steps to ensure you can delete files efficiently, and I'll even cover how to permanently remove them if you wish to do so. To get started, you'll want to open up Google Drive in your web browser. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the file you intend to delete. This might be sitting in the main directory or tucked away in one of your folders. Spend a little time getting familiar with your drive if you have many documents. Their search functionality can be a real lifesaver if you're having trouble finding your file. Once you've found the file you want to delete, the next step is straightforward. You'll want to right-click on that specific file. A contextual menu will appear, offering several options. Among them, you should see Remove. Go ahead and click Remove. At this point, you've successfully moved the file to your trash, but it's not completely gone just yet. Now here's an important part some might overlook. The file is currently sitting in the trash, and from there, you have a couple of choices. If you accidentally removed it or just have a change of heart, you can readily restore it. Navigate to the Trash section in your Google Drive. It's usually found on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you can view all the files you've trashed. To restore, right-click the file and select the Restore option, and it will be placed back in its original location. On the other hand, if you're certain you want to permanently delete the file while still in the trash, right-click the file once more and select Delete Forever. Google Drive will prompt you to confirm, ensuring that this action cannot be undone. Remember, deletion will free up storage, but make sure the file is no longer needed before you take this irreversible step. That covers everything. By following these simple steps, you can manage your Google Drive files with confidence, ensuring that only the documents you truly need are kept, while others are either out of sight in your trash or completely deleted from your storage, freeing up precious space. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your digital workspace organized and efficient.